Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another Gemini Jets airport update. Today we have Colorado Springs. I would like to first apologize that this is not Honolulu. I just wasn't able to move it upstairs. But I am pretty sure next Friday will be it. I know I've said that plenty of times, but I am now 100% finished with the airport. All I need to do is move some models and bring Honolulu up here. But anyway, I will save all information for Honolulu at the end of the video, so make sure you watch through the whole thing. And if you do enjoy it, make sure to leave a like on the video and hit that big red subscribe button and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss future uploads. And it really does help support me a lot, really a lot more than you think. But anyway, let's get straight into this airport update. As you maybe saw by the thumbnail, we have a special plane here that we will get into shortly, but let's start off with this aircraft directly in front of us here. Here we have a Frontier Airbus A320neo. This aircraft will be heading out to Las Vegas. Looking right at us here, we have a Delta Connection CRJ-700, or I guess you could say Mitsubishi CRJ-700. This aircraft will be pulling onto runway 35 left right after the Frontier departs, and we'll be heading out to Salt Lake City, Utah. Third in line for departure here at the airport is a American 737-800. This particular aircraft is in the AirCal Retro livery. It'll be pulling onto the runway for a flight out to Dallas-Fort Worth. Right here at the cargo terminal, we have a FedEx Boeing 757-200. This aircraft is getting fueled up and will be doing a flight out to Memphis. It is worth noting that every single aircraft in this airport update on the terminal has a gate and a few accessories to make it a little more realistic. I'm sorry I haven't been doing that in the past, but from now on I'm going to be making it as realistic as I can, so yeah. I could not get a better angle on the tripod here, and I do apologize for that. But here we have the United Express CRJ-200. This aircraft is getting final passengers on board and will be pushing back for a flight out to Los Angeles, California. I also decided to do the next one handheld, which I am sorry. But here we have a new livery, United Express E175. This is extremely gorgeous, and as you can see, the bus is right next to it, getting some passengers on. And this aircraft will be pushing back in about 20 minutes for a flight out to Denver, Colorado. As many of you knew, or as many of you know, I should say, as this whole virus thing goes around, many of you guys know that there are tons of different flights than you would normally see at different airports, and this particular one is one of them. This Sun Country flight you are looking at right now. We do not get Sun Country here on a regular basis. The only airlines we get here are American Airlines, American Eagle, Delta Airlines, Delta Connection, Frontier, United, and United Express, and FedEx, of course. So this would not be a normal occurrence here, but during this time they are doing flights to this place called Fort Campbell, I think it's called. That's what they're doing. It's a weird flight. It's like a little hop over there. But yeah, it's called, yeah, here it is. Fort Campbell. I don't know where it is, but they do flights there, and it's about a 2-hour flight to that location. So this aircraft will be heading out to Fort Campbell. I do apologize, but here we have another handheld one. Here we have a Frontier Airbus A320neo. This aircraft is getting final passengers on and getting some catering done to the aircraft, which is on the other side so you can't see it. But this will be departing shortly for a flight out to Phoenix, Arizona. Right here at the gate we have a American Eagle Embraer ERJ-175. This aircraft just pulled into the gate and is getting some passengers unloaded and cargo and stuff unloaded. It just arrived in from Chicago ORD. Mainly they're using this aircraft on this route on the CRJ-700, but unfortunately I do not have that aircraft and I do apologize for that. But I will make plans to get that as soon as Gemini releases it again, because it's like $200 on eBay, so that's a bit much. But yeah, so this just arrived in from Chicago ORD. Pulling into the gate next to it, we have a American 737-800. This aircraft is pulling into the gate from a flight from Dallas-Fort Worth. During this whole virus thing, the most popular airline here is American. They have, let me count really quick, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 flights a day, which doesn't seem like a lot, but for a smaller regional airport, that is quite a bit. Right now they have 3 flights on the board, or on this airport update, but they're only doing flights to Dallas, Fort Worth, and Chicago O'Hare right now, and they are not operating the Phoenix route, unfortunately, but hopefully we'll see it back up as soon as this whole thing is over. In the really bad lighting, which I do apologize for, we have a Delta 737-900ER. This aircraft will be pushing back shortly for a flight out to Atlanta. As you can see right in front of it, they have the catering service going on, and they're cleaning out the plane because each flight they do out of here, they have to deep clean the plane due to the virus, and that is how they keep their passengers safe. So yeah, this will be pushing back for a flight out to Atlanta. Alright, I'll leave it off at this beautiful lineup with the Sun Country and the 2 Uniteds. I'd like to thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, please leave a like on the video. Leave your comments, or leave a comment on what you guys think of this airport, or what you want me to improve on. Really, just anything. I really do appreciate every single comment I get. And also, if you'd consider subscribing if you did enjoy it, and turning on the notification bell, so you always are notified when I upload again, and more videos like this. Now, to the Honolulu part. For the last like 2 weeks, at the end of every video, I've been talking a little more about Honolulu. So, I did finish the runway. It is pretty much 100% complete. The only reason I could not get the airport update out this Friday was, one, because I had to do a COS or Colorado Springs update, because I haven't done one in a while. And 2, the board is so big, I can't carry it by myself. I need help from my dad, but he's always working, or, you know, whatever. So I'm trying to figure out the best solution to get you guys that airport update. I am talking to him about bringing it up this Friday so we can get this airport update out to you guys. But currently I have like at least 70 planes on Kahului because of COVID. Oh crap, I probably shouldn't have said that. Whatever. Because of it going around that they are grounded, so I can't put as many aircrafts on the Denver airport update. So yeah, that's where all my planes are. So yeah, that's why I wasn't able to bring it up, and I deeply do apologize for that. So I'd like to thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.